You're sitting on a business idea that could change your life, but you have no idea where to start. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Most aspiring entrepreneurs get stuck in their heads, either overthinking every little detail or just completely unsure of where to start and never actually launch. That was me in 2017 before I launched my e-commerce company that has now sold over $5 million. You will follow the same process that I've used to sell millions of dollars, raise millions of dollars, and build companies in e-commerce, events, software, and services. Whatever idea you have, Launch Your Idea works to help you get started across any industry. If you've been looking for the secret to get your idea launched, keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to go from idea to launch to building your dream company fast. Right now, you're probably stuck in analysis paralysis. You don't know if your idea is good enough. You're overwhelmed by all of the advice out there. You worry about wasting time, money, or even worse, failing. And every day that goes by, someone else is launching a business while yours just stays an idea. You keep telling yourself you'll start someday, but let's be real. When is that actually going to happen? That's where my course, Launch Your Idea, comes in. I've built a step-by-step process to take you from idea to launch without any confusion. Inside, I'll walk you through validating your idea, finding your first customers, and actually launching, so you don't waste months or even years with this idea stuck in your head. You'll follow the same process that I've used to build successful businesses. And the best part, you don't need a perfect idea. You don't need a ton of money, and you don't need prior experience. See, this isn't just a theory. I've actually done this myself, and I've helped countless others do the same thing. And this works no matter what phase you're in, whether it's an idea or whether it's one of the many million or even billion-dollar companies that I've worked with. The biggest difference in the Launch Your Idea system is that it's built for action. No fluff, no wasted time, just a clear system to getting your idea actually launched. When you join today, you're getting instant access to the exact roadmap to go from idea to launch, proven frameworks to validate your business and make your first sale, templates, tools, and trainings to save you time and avoid costly mistakes, a private community for feedback and support, and direct access to me as you're working through all of these steps, launching your idea. I'll be there with you, helping you figure it out. So if you're ready to stop thinking and actually launch your business, click the link below and get started today. Here's exactly what you need to do. Go to my page over on Skool, or if you're already here, click this link to sign up. And then as soon as you get inside, go here and start the welcome course. If you have questions, post them here in the forum and I'll be there to answer them. Or you can join in on the weekly calls where I work with you directly to help you launch your idea. The only thing standing in between you and your dream life is taking this first step. Let's go.